Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is June 6, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. U.S. stock market is still in the uptrend. Leading stock continue to go up. Gold rebounds strongly in the last trading day, Friday. Oil is still in the uptrend. China market may be bottoming out. My current action and trades, I'm long the stock and stock-related ETFs. I'm also long gold ETF. Let's take a look at the stock indices and their charts. German DAX index pulled back a little last week. Nasdaq, US Nasdaq index going up. On Thursday it pulled back. Friday it pulled back a little, but by the time it closed, it recovered most of the loss. SP 500 go up. This chart is stronger. SP 500 is stronger than the Nasdaq, mostly by the commodity sector. Gold price, gold had been pulled back, but on Friday it suddenly has a big bounce, and this big bounce happened around 120. This is a gold index, which is a $1,200 per ounce area, and this is a support area, so the rebound happened right around this area. Gold is back to the uptrend because of this rebound. Silver also previously was in the pullback, but on Friday had a very strong rebound around $15 per ounce area. This again is a previous ceiling. Now it become a floor, become a support. Gold mining ETF, and still Friday has a big jump, and it's back to the uptrend again. Crude oil uptrend, continue to be in the uptrend. USO is a crude oil ETF uptrend. XLE is energy ETF uptrend. So today it has a bounce. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index and maybe bottoming out. Right now it's right at a 50-day moving average. If it can stay above 50-day moving average, it has a leg to go up. FXI usually is a pre-indicator for the China stock market. FXI has been in a recovery mode, and right now it's right at 200-day moving average. It has already stood firmly above 50-day moving average. So based on FXI, China market Asia had the potential to bottom out from this point. But we don't know yet. We just have to play by ear as things goes on. Right now it looks good. And biotech was going up last week. Real estate ETF was going up, and today it dropped, and so this is just going through a wave. Jets, which is an airline, aerospace and airline, this is a ETF that's going down. Semiconductor is going up. It's pretty strong recover from here. Social media ETF going up. It's uptrend. Solar ETF going down. Financial ETF uptrend. Utility ETF, it's consolidated around this area, but on Friday it bounced above this area. This may develop into a new uptrend. We should wait and see. The stocks on the watch list, there are a whole bunch of stocks on my watch list, and AVGO Broadcom, this is a new one. WL is also a new one. Let's take a look at the stocks. Adobe uptrend. As you see, Adobe broke out from a $98.10 right here above the previous 10 cents above the previous high, 98.1. That's a breakout pivotal point. Right now it's still in the 5% of a breakout range. It's in the buy range. AMAT is out of the buy range. Breakout is right here, gap up, and right now it's pretty high, more than 5% from the breakout. So AMAT is not a buy. It's probably a profit taking area. Broadcom broke out $159.75. That's 10 cents above the previous high. And Friday it gap up. So this is still in the buy range right now. AYI breakout here and consolidating. Buffalo pet, blue buffalo pet product in the uptrend. Facebook broke out right here and consolidating after breakout in the uptrend. Lowe's breakout $77.73. Pull back today, still within the buy range. MSCI still in the uptrend, and this is just climbing along 50-day moving average. So when they draw back around 50-day moving average, that provide a buy opportunity. WAL, this is a going up, is a financial sector stock, is a bank stock, and broke out here. They have several breakout. The first breakout is right here, $32.64. And the most recent breakout is right here. So it's still in the buy range. Weibo is a WeChat. Okay, anyhow, this stock is interesting. This is a very strong stock in the uptrend. Let's take a look at weekly chart. It's a new IPO on 2014 and going through 2 years of up and down, mostly down a lot. And this year it just break above the previous the high of the historical high. So this is IPO price and rushed to $24 and came down and $26. This year it just broke out this range. So now it's going up, even though it has gone up a lot compared with the previous low, but compared with the previous historical high, and we're still okay here. It just in short term, look at the daily chart. This is a weekly chart I show you. This is a weekly chart. I mean, across many years, 5 years, but stock only came out IPO on 2014. So this is all the history of the stock on this weekly chart. And let's go back to daily chart. It has been gone up, and this is a breakout, $24.87. That's where I started to buy this stock, and now it has a good gain, but I'm not adding new position to this stock because it has been pretty far. Right now it's pretty far away from 10-day moving average. If it pull back, I may add more to this stock. Stock is very volatile. This particular stock is just up and down a lot. So when it goes up, you have to buy quickly. If not enough, if you don't buy quick enough, and you may lose opportunity. Same when they come down, you have to sell quickly. If you don't sell quick enough, this stock can also come down a lot. That's just from the chart. What to do in this market? We can buy stock if they're in the buy range, which is 5% from the breakout pivotal point. And every stock you buy should have a stop order. And gold ETF, that can be longed. Gold is still very strong. Same with the crude oil. Crude oil ETF you can also long it. It's in the uptrend. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.